Hi guys, welcome back to ILO Nails, and today I am going to be showing you how I did this ombre with just makeup sponges and nail polishes. So I did this one. I'm going to show you on this one. So this one is already prepped with white nail polish. I did it twice, and then now we're going to show you how I did these on these. So let's get started. So this one I did, I used this green 034 from Valentino. So I'm gonna use the same polishes because it's the same thing. Hopefully they don't get messed up, but this is what I'm gonna be using. What you do is you just apply it on your sponge. Yeah, they look a little messy, that one, because I put it upside down. And I put it, because I use both sides. I don't waste any sponge. So, and then the top, I have white. So I just want to keep the white. I don't really have to put the white, but I want to. And then we just take the nail. Yeah, I have orange from the other side. Take the nail and we're going to just wrap it around like this. You see how simple? Yeah, just like that. That's because I have pink on the top. I'll just cover it. But you see how simple? All you do is go around it, wrap it around. Look how cool. Beautiful. You might see a little pink from the edge of the, but I'll just go over that with the nail polish. That's because I used it before. It might not be a good idea to use it again unless but let me see if I can cover it up. Yeah. All right. That should solve the problem. Right? And then the green. Right? Okay, excuse me. So here we go. Right? Awesome. And that's it. Nothing to it but to do it. So we got that one. And now we're going to use the orange. Just put a little white, and this orange is $6.49 from D&D. It's called Orange Creamsicle. It's a bright, nice orange. I love it. Right? So apply some there, and do the same thing. Just go around like that. Look how pretty. Simple stuff. It looks technical, but a lot of stuff that nail techs are doing that looks so fancy, it's very simple. You can find a simple way to go around it and get it done. So this is one way to do ombre. Isn't that cool? I think so. Look how cool. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so now we're doing pink. This pink is Pinky Kinky, $4.17 from D&D. And we're gonna do the same thing. Put the bottom, lather it with enough. I'm gonna put some more white on the top here. Right, and we're going to do the same thing with this one. Hold on, I have to be careful, my hands are sticky. So we're going to do the same thing, go around it. See how simple that is, you know. coat it. Bam. See? We're gonna give it 2 coats so it can look much prettier. But that's that. And then we're gonna do the Purple Pride 416 from D&D. And that one we did on this one. So we're gonna keep this sponge. All right. And we're gonna put some white. And we're gonna do the same thing we did with the other ones. All right. Just go around it like that. And you put it to wherever you want to put it. How high you want it. That's up to you, preference. You know, I think we can go a little higher. Right? And like I said, we're gonna hit it again. And then last but not least, the blue. This is OPI. This is Music is my muse, or mousse. Watch it, sorry. I have to clean after myself. Because I used this stuff double, it's all over the place. So the same thing, go around. Look how cool. Nice. And then we're gonna dry it and we'll do it one more time. Bam. Check it out. All right. And while that's drying, I'll try to clean my hands and clean the nail polishes. And so just in case I gotta use it again, they're not dirty. Right. And then what we're gonna do, our finished product is gonna be, once we put our gloss it, top coat from Not Polish, then that's the end of your ombre. And then you can stay tuned probably to either finish or maybe do the video that was requested by a colleague of mine in one of Mr. Nail's class. She wanted to find out how to measure to do press-on nails. So I explained to her real briefly, but I'm gonna do a video and I'm gonna dedicate it to Miss Painter, and we're gonna show you on our next video how to measure your nails. And also Mr. Nails provided some input, so I'm gonna give you that as well, because he's the bomb.com. So we're gonna get into that, so stay tuned. Once we finish here, be on the lookout, because my next video is gonna be pertaining to how to measure press-ons so that you can have a set of press-on nails. Let me just finish this one. I think we have to do 2 times. So we're just gonna use it again. Hit it twice. I like to hit it twice. Let's see. And the orange. I'm gonna hit that twice. This one I went too far. That's okay, right? And then pink. Hit that twice. See how pretty. All right. And then we're gonna hit the purple. Where's the purple? Here's the purple. Hit that twice. Look how cute. Beautiful, right? Oops. Let me clean it on the top. I touched it on the top when I grabbed it. Let's just put some. Okay. And then the blue one, same thing. Dab, 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 dab. See how cute? Dab, dab, dab. And we're gonna dry again. Let me just fix this one with the purple. Let's try that one more time. Bear with me. It's time to clean up. You usually dry it for about 2 minutes. I think that would be safe. And then we're gonna put the top coat. All right, now we're gonna put, not polish, gloss it, just coat it. So it could look nice and shiny. This one has a hair, let me just pull it out. Okay. So I like to put enough, not a lot, but enough. This is a long nail, this is a 4X, extra large. So you lather it with the glosser. Look how pretty. Yes. And then we do for the other ones. Another piece of hair. Yeah. There we go. Look how pretty. Right? Okay, 2 down, 3 to go. I have to fill up my jar of not polish. I buy the big gloss set and then I fill them up. Cheaper, more cost effective. They have the big jar, you're better off. And so, see how pretty? How pretty. And yeah, just stroke it up and down. Make sure you get everything, right? So this is ombre with nail polish. ombre with gel polish. Sorry. So. Sorry, this one had a piece of hair. Can't take it out. Ombre with gel polish. Isn't that cool? It's magnificent. So just make sure you coat it, right? Everything is covered. Voila. And last but not least, piece of hair. Clean my brush. All right. This one doesn't tend to dry fast enough. The blue, I don't know why. I had the same problem up here with the other one. So we're gonna leave it like that. You clean the sides. Right? We're gonna dry. Let me clean. Yeah. Had a piece of hair. Just had to redo it again. Ooh. Okay. All right. Let that dry, and then I'm gonna show you the outcome, the beautiful outcome of the ombre with the gel polish. Easy peasy. Your practice makes perfect, right? So these are all the products I use. I'm gonna put it here, right? All the products I use, and I did both with the sponges. And let me show you. And there you have it. Bam. Peace. Don't forget to check out my next video that's coming up, which is how to measure for press-on nails. Bye.